In this tutorial, you will learn how to integrate Mailchimp with your WordPress website in just about 5 minutes. The process is straightforward and designed to get you connected quickly without any unnecessary complications. We will walk through each step, starting at WordPress and finishing with the Mailchimp form added to your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your WordPress site. Once you have the homepage loaded, locate the login option. You will find the login button situated at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will initiate the process to access your site's administrative area. After clicking login, you will be presented with multiple options to authenticate your account. Look for the option that says continue with Google and click on it. This step is made simple by using your existing Google account credentials, which provide a secure and quick method of logging in. Once you click continue with Google, a prompt will ask you to select the correct Google account. If you have multiple accounts available, simply choose the account that you wish to use for managing your WordPress website. This selection will complete the authentication process and allow you full access to your site. After signing in with your Google account, direct your attention to the quick link section on your WordPress dashboard. Within this section, locate the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This option will take you to the page where you can modify your website's content and settings. When you are in the site editing mode, you should see a list of your pages or sections that can be edited. Identify the website that you want to add Mailchimp to and click on it to begin editing. This will refresh your workspace into an editor view specifically for that website. Once you are in the editing interface, look to the top left corner of the screen for the plus icon. Clicking this icon will open a menu of additional elements and modules that you can add to your site. This is where you will be implementing the Mailchimp integration. Within the menu that appears after clicking the plus icon, you will be provided with a search bar. Use this feature by typing the word Mailchimp. The search will filter the available options and present you with the Mailchimp module dedicated for integration. Once this module appears, click on it to add it directly to your website. When the Mailchimp module is added, an option will be available that says Set up Mailchimp form. Click on this option to proceed to the configuration steps for your Mailchimp account. By choosing Set up Mailchimp form, you initiate the process that connects your website to your mailing service, allowing you to gather subscriber information and manage your contact list effectively. After you have completed the setup and ensured that all the necessary configurations are in place, finish the process by looking to the top right corner of the editing interface. Here you will see the Save button. Click Save to confirm all your changes and integrate Mailchimp into your WordPress website successfully. By following these steps carefully, you will have a fully functional Mailchimp form on your website. This streamlined process means you can now start building your email list and engaging with your audience directly from your site. Enjoy the benefits of a smooth integration process and the powerful marketing tools provided through Mailchimp.